How to fix your camera not working on your mobile device. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be discussing about how you can easily fix your camera not working on mobile device. So there might be a lot of issues causing your camera not working. So if it crashes for some reason and simply automatically closes out when you open the camera for the first time, or the camera simply doesn't let you capture any photos or videos, so it basically isn't functioning properly. So to fix that, just head over to your settings on your mobile device. So once you're inside your settings, simply scroll all the way down onto the shield option, that is apps. So just select it, and from over here you just have to locate the camera application, or you can also even search in for that by simply tapping on the search bar over here and quickly locate the camera application. Just tap on that. So since it's a default application, you can't actually uninstall it, so you just have to click on this storage option by simply scrolling down and just click on this clear all the cache and just clear all the data from over here and just click on delete. And once you do all of that, I want you to reopen the camera option, and now it should start working correctly. And if it's still not working, just head over to your settings once again and come over to the option that is your software update. As you can see, I've already head over to my software update option, so just tap on that and look for any new update if it's available. So you can just tap on this download and install button. If there's any new update available, you must make sure to update your device. As you can see, my device is already up to date, so I don't need to do it. So once you do all of that, your issue should be fixed regarding any camera not working on your Android device. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.